Ready to make a Typeform? Here's a quick tour to help you get started. This is where you'll create your Typeform. Choose a question type from the side panel and edit questions directly in the preview. Here, you can change question settings, like making the question required or randomizing answers. Click here if you want to change the question type. Then, spice up the design by adding some media. Use our Unsplash-powered image library to find an image and play with the layout to make it pop. You can tweak the image or remove it by clicking here. Finalize the look in the Design tab by changing the colors and font. Once you've added all of your questions, you can drag and drop to move them around. Then add one or more endings to finish off your Typeform. Endings are, you guessed it, a way to end your Typeform. Using logic, you can link answers to endings and show people different endings based on how they answer your Typeform. Or how about adding points to each answer and showing people an outcome based on their score? You can do all that and a whole lot more from the Logic tab. Once your Typeform's set up, hit the Publish button to make it live. And it's out there. Copy this link here to share it with the world. Get ready to collect some stellar responses with Typeform.